guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY origami gift box. Okay, now let's get started. You will need origami paper and a glue stick. Start by choosing 2 pieces of origami paper for the cover and base of your box. Now you're going to take one of the origami pieces of paper and fold it into thirds. Remember, you can always use a ruler and pencil to make marks, but here I am just roughly folding it into thirds. Now take that same piece of paper and fold it into thirds on the other side. Now you're going to open your piece of paper back up and take the right square and fold it down, then back up so that you have a triangle. Then do the same for the left side, fold it down, then bring the flap back up so that you have a triangle. Fold the 2 creases on top of each other. Now you have one side of the base of your box. Now you're going to repeat the same steps for the other side of your box. Fold the square down, then bring it back up to create a triangle for both sides. Now you have created the base of your box. Now to finish the base of your box, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue all the flaps together on both sides. And that's how the base of your box should look like. Now you are going to make the cover for your box by folding the corners of the other piece of origami paper to the middle. Once you are done, you are going to take the bottom of the square and top of the square and fold it to the middle. Then you are going to open your square back up, and on the opposite side, you're going to fold the bottom and top to the middle. Open your square back up and take the corner of one of the flaps and fold it down, then back up to form a small triangle like you did for the base of the box. Don't forget to do the same for the other side by using the opposite corner. Now take the flap that is sticking out and fold it down so that it meets the middle of your cover again. Now you are going to repeat the same steps that you did to make one side of the cover and open up a flap and fold it down, then back up so that it creates a small triangle. Then fold down the flap that is sticking out like you did in step 10. This step is optional, but you can fold down the sides of your cover for your box so that it looks neater and smaller. You can also do the same for the base of your box. Lastly, attach the cover to the base, and now you have a origami gift box. And here's a previous bigger box that I made, and it's bigger because I did not fold down the sides of the base. You can put anything you want in these gift boxes. I chose to put origami stars. And that's how you make your own origami gift box.